Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Upwork. So let me take you to the website, which is upwork.com. What do you want to know about them? Upwork is an online freelancing platform that connects businesses with independent professionals. It allows clients to post job listings and hire freelancers for various services, including writing, design, programming, and marketing. The platform offers tools for communication, project management, time tracking, and secure payments, along with payment protection and talent matching algorithms. Upwork simplifies the hiring process, enabling global collaboration between clients and freelancers. So you can come to the website, explore all about them. If you want to join them as a freelancer, you can enroll yourself. If you want to find amazing talents out there, then you can explore and see which talent is more suited for your business or for yourself, and you can hire them, create a contract with them. But that's not exactly why we're here. Unless you want to use Upwork, that's a different story. But we are here to earn money from Upwork. How do we do that? We simply join the affiliate program of Upwork and start promoting them to our audience. And when we bring clients to them, and when these clients create contract with the freelancers, we as an affiliate would get commission out of it. Wouldn't that be amazing? That is. So let's talk about the affiliate program of Upwork. So who can join the affiliate program of Upwork? I didn't find any restrictions. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, so long as you have online presence, you can apply to be a part of affiliate program of Upwork. To the consumers of which country can you promote? I didn't see any restriction for that as well. So long as Upwork is available in that country, you can promote them to the consumers of that country. So let's talk more about the affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down to the footer of their homepage and you will see here affiliate program. Just click here, which will take you to the affiliate program page of Upwork. Over here, you will see it's easy to get started. Just sign up, promote, and earn. And if you scroll down, you can see the commission. So get 70% of the first contract to spend up to 150 for every new client. Refer to Upwork, and then 5% commission for repeat contract for a spend up to 150. So what they mean is when you bring a client to them, and if this client create a contract with a freelancer, you will get for the first contract, you'll get 70% up to 150 dollars as commission. That's amazing. And for all the later on contracts with other freelancers by the same client, you could get 5% up to 150. So that's amazing if you bring clients to them and the contracts happen. You also get support from them, and then you get resources as well. If you scroll down, you can see more, especially this section, the frequently asked question. Over here, you can see what is Upwork affiliate program. The Upwork affiliate program gives partners an opportunity to earn commission by promoting Upwork on their website through affiliate links. The affiliate program is run through the Impact platform. We'll talk about this shortly. Then how do you join Upwork affiliate program? We'll talk about that as well. And if you want to reach out to them about any question, you can always write an email to the affiliate program team at this email address. Then what can you promote? Upwork has many things, but the question is which product or services can you promote? So you can basically promote talent marketplace or project catalog. And to find them, you can hover over find talent. You see in this section, talent marketplace, click here to learn more. Same way, if you go to browse and buy projects, you'll see project catalog. Click on see all categories and you will find all the catalogs. So from one of those things, you can promote and see whatever client would be interested in. And when they create contract, you get commission. Is TM bidding allowed? No, it's not allowed. Who can become an Upwork affiliate? So they kind of accept most of the affiliates out there. So it's good news for us. Are international affiliates accepted? Yes, they're accepted as well. And then there are other questions as well that you can explore, like about Upwork and then commission related questions to have better understanding. How do you get paid and all that? So this is great. Now, how do you join the affiliate program of Upwork? For that, you have to come to the website impact.com. So why are we talking about Impact and what it has to do with Upwork? So Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network work as a mediator between the affiliates and brand. That means in order for affiliates to join the affiliate program of respective brands, they have to join the affiliate marketing network. So for us to join the affiliate program of Upwork, we have to join Impact as an affiliate. How do we join Impact as an affiliate? Simply come to the website, click on request a demo, which will take you to this section over here. Look at the right hand side, the section for creator, influencers, and publishers. Click on sign up as a partner and go through with the registration process. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when you create an account or register yourself. Don't worry, I got yourself covered. There is a video I created on how to create an affiliate account with Impact. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions, and get yourself an affiliate account. Now, Impact call affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. Once you get yourself an affiliate account with Impact, or rather a publisher account, come to the homepage, click on sign in, which will take you to this section, enter your credential, and click on sign in. Then it will take you to something called Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would see the information about the affiliate program of not just Upwork, but all the other brands out there which are part of Impact. But our focus is only Upwork. So to find the affiliate program of Upwork, click on brands, and over there, click on find brands, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can search for Upwork by typing here and then click enter, and then you will see Upwork tile in here. Click on Upwork tile, and here you get to see more details. So if you look at the left hand side, if you scroll down, you'll see the description, what they are looking for. As you can see, they'll be promoting to an audience that is looking to hire an Upwork freelancer. So basically, they're telling you as an affiliate, you are to bring clients to them who are interested to hire Upwork freelancer. Then if you look at the right hand side, you can see registration. Unfortunately, there's no commission for that. New clients start between 5 to 70%, depends on the contract these clients would have with the freelancers. And then if you want to have more details, like what is involved and what is not, you can click on the terms and it will give you more commission related details. Then you click on details to even have more information on it. Over here, you can see where they service. So they service in all these countries. That means you can promote Upwork to the consumers of all these countries. If you scroll down, you can see this as well, open to influencers. So let's say even if you just have social media account, you can still apply to them and get the approval. Now, let's say you have read it all and you want to apply. In that case, click on apply. And over here, you have to tell Upwork why you want to work on this campaign. Now, this is very important. It basically tells Upwork that why you are interested in their campaign and what basically you'll do to bring value to them, to their business. So that's why you should write it carefully. For me, I have already returned it. I'm just going to paste it here. In your case, you can write the introduction or the details about yourself as well, and of course about your online presence, and then you can click on apply. Once you click on apply, your application would go to them. As you can see, the account did not meet the application criteria and was auto rejected. Now this could happen if there's something in your profile which is stopping your applications to go out to them. If you see this message, then don't be disappointed. Simply just send an email to them at this email address that we looked at. Go to general and just write an email to them and show them your interest. Tell them that you tried to apply to them and somehow you got the auto rejection, and they will help you. But let's say your application would go to them successfully. You will see a success message in here, and then you have to give them up to a couple of weeks time to review the details and give it the approval. Now, let's say once you get the approval, you'll be notified via an email. And after getting notified, you can come to your Impact affiliate account, and over here click on brands and click on my brands, which will take you to the section. This is a place where you would see all the approved brands. So let's assume you got the approval from Upwork. You will see them in here. And once you find them here, what can you do next? You're going to start promoting them, but you can't just take any link from the website and promote them. You have to use tracking link. How do you get tracking link, or how to use tracking link? For that, you can, let's say if I want to create a tracking link for this section, I can copy this and then I can come to the homepage of Impact affiliate account. And if I look at the right hand side, this section, create and share link. So over here, I can select Upwork. Assuming you would have gotten the approval from them, you will see Upwork in here. Select Upwork, put the link over here and click on create. This will create tracking link. But what if you don't want to create a tracking link, but rather you want to use some assets or resources that is available for Upwork? In that case, you can click on content, you can click on assets, which will take you to this section. Over here, you would be able to see image links, videos links, emails link, coupons, articles, and all those things. All you have to do is just look at the brand site and click on Upwork. So assuming you would have got an approval, you'll see Upwork in here. Let's say we clicked on Upwork in here. In that case, you will see all these different resources. And let's say if you're looking at Upwork and this is the banner for Upwork, in that case, you can click on this banner. You will see the image. You can download this image and integrate it on your website along with the tracking link. Other option is to get the ad code. You can get the HTML ad code and just integrate it at the backend of your website. The third option is to get the tracking link. So these are the three options available. You could take it from for all the different kind of links available in here. So you got the link, either the tracking link through your own creation or through assets. Now what? Now you can start promoting them. But the question is, how can you promote them? Where exactly can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One is website or blog. So long as you got the approval from Upwork for that online presence, you are allowed to promote them. What do I mean by that? When you will be creating an affiliate account with Impact, you will be giving your online presence details over there, and you're only allowed to promote Upwork on those online presence. So assuming you have given that details and you've gotten the approval, you can promote them on website or blog. Website doesn't matter, whatever kind of website you got, just put the advertisement wherever you see it's gonna suit your audience and could bring clients to Upwork. The blog could be amazing because on blog you could write different things about different services of Upwork or different talents of Upwork, and you can put your tracking link for the client to see and click on. Then we got social media. I think social media would be amazing. We have Facebook and Instagram could work here as well. But in my understanding and in my experience, YouTube and LinkedIn would be of more use here, because on LinkedIn, people search for the job anyways, isn't it? So maybe you could post different freelancing options available. So this way, when clients would find it, they would click on it, they will create contract with the freelancers. You will highly likely get a commission out of it. So LinkedIn posts would be amazing. You can also create videos on LinkedIn, the short videos. Then we got YouTube as well. You can maybe create videos on YouTube as well for different talents available on Upwork. Then third option, which I feel is more suited here, is jobs and career website. Let's say you got a website which is jobs and career focus. So that would be amazing. Maybe create an entire section just for Upwork and put different talents over there. Of course, your tracking link should be integrated with those options, and that could work in your favor as well. So let's say you started promoting Upwork and you started bringing contracts to them from clients, and it started generating commission. Where would you see all your performance? For that, you have to come to your affiliate dashboard once again on Impact platform, and over here you can click on reports and go through with all these reports and see your performance. What about the commission? So all the commission that will get accumulated in your affiliate account, or rather the publisher account, will be paid out to Impact from Upwork, and then you can expect to receive it from Impact. So you have to ensure you have updated your payment details, and to update your payment details, click on these three dots from the bottom left hand side, click on settings, and that will take you to the section. Over here, go to bank account, and you could just see an option to update your banking details, or you would also see the PayPal option. Depending on your location, you could either select bank account and give your banking details to receive the commission via electronic fund transfer, or you could give your PayPal details to get the payment via PayPal. So these are the two options available, but these varies depending on your location. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Upwork. You apply to them, you get approval, start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in learning all about the affiliate program of Upwork. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any other brand like this, let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.